welcome back! Get ready, because we've got a big surprise today. Tunee, the best music and music video generator, has officially launched to the public. I've had a chance to play around with this platform, and I'm so excited to show you all the amazing things it can do. Let's log in and get started. I know you're hopeless, but trust me, this one is different. I'll change your mind. Forget other platforms. Tunee's conversational. You get a real connection with the AI, a true collaboration. Just talk to it like a music producer or brand manager. The best part? The AI won't even start creating until your conversation reaches a specific goal. I can ask for its opinion or share mine and feel completely comfortable talking to it. Since the AI is conversational and not prompt-based, you don't have to worry about telling it everything or messing up. For example, if you have no idea how to create a song, you can just ask the AI to make one based on your mood. It will immediately start suggesting ideas. I didn't like the suggestion, so I just asked for more, and it delivered. You can pick one, but here's the crazy part. You can create all of them at once. Wow, we finally escaped those old boring platforms. Now we can create multiple styles in a single try. That's the kind of flexibility that helps you create the exact song you want. I just described my mood and asked it to create something for me. Now, let's see what we got.
City lights blur through my window pane. Every drop tells a story of what
You can also see the prompt and lyrics, and have all of the songs in a single tab. It's perfect for when you're deep into the song-making process. Now let's see another style.
Smears paint the window frame. Each raindrop carves its winding way. I trace the glass with fingers.
That was good, wasn't it? I told you, this AI is amazing. Hello, I'm Kai. How are you doing? Do you like my new hair dye? Can't find the words? Use a reference song. If you don't know how to describe a feeling, Tunee has you covered. You can easily import a song from another AI or a track that inspires you. From there, you can change it, create a new version, or even add vocals. It will also suggest styles, and you can request more or change them as you wish. Now let's see the result. But first, let's hear the original track. That was crazy. I'll use it for my next video. Now let's see another style. This AI is really cooking. This is unbelievable. Jesus! let's explore another great feature of Tunee. When you're creatively stuck, Tunee can get you started. Just send a photo that matches your mood, or use one to set the vibe for a specific section of your song. I used a photo of a fighting scene between two heroes. Then, I asked for a dark and intense style and theme. You can even add an instrument. The AI gives you suggestions, and you can pick your favorite. Once you're done, grab a coffee and chill while the AI creates your music. It does its job well, and the process is incredibly fast. It can even create multiple songs at once. Also, the quality is truly amazing. Let's hear it. That was good. Let's hear the next one. That's it. I'm excited to continue to the music video portion. Remember the song? Now, let's create its music video. Forget all the chaotic stuff about music video creation here. You can create one in just 3 clicks. You heard that right. Only 3. Just click on the song and select Create MV from the menu. After that, all you need is an idea, a specific style, and a range. Give that to the AI and ask for keyframes. When the keyframes are generated, you can easily review and revise them as you wish. Okay, now let's see the final result.
A car swishes through the street below, carrying secrets I'll never know. The rhythm taps so patient, true, like conversations, me and you. Never had, but always felt, in moments when the world would melt into these amber-tinted scenes where loneliness and comfort lean against each other, soft and strange. Nothing here will ever.
The final part is custom lyrics. We're gonna get a little more professional here and show you something truly advanced. This is the first time I've seen an AI that can handle a style, an instrument, and your custom lyrics with this kind of precision, all at the same time. As you can see, I gave it directions for the intro, verses, and instruments. Now, let's see how it handles them. It perfectly follows the intro. Let's move to the next.
1,000 kings shall fall, though darkness tries to lead astray. Hope blooms in blood-soaked earth below. From ashes rise, our spirits glow.
The choir was perfect, and the lyrics were so precise. But check this out. I only gave it an instrument tag with no other info. Let's see how it handles it. That was crazy. It used the intro data and continued it perfectly with the instrument. This is the first time I've ever seen an AI do this. Get this, it even ignored my mistakes. I put the verse and choir together to see how it would respond. I gambled, and I lost. The AI wins. It didn't get confused at all. Good job, Tunee. I'm proud. That's it for today. Tunee offers unique features you won't find anywhere else. These include instrument designation, memory context, and creating multiple song versions with AI that learns your interests. You can also easily create a music video, and with a pro account, get a commercial license to use your music on social media without copyright issues. You can have all of this for a fair price. For a limited time, you can also enjoy 500 free daily credits, which can create up to 50 songs per day. So you can try it for free and share your opinion in the comments. Thank you all for watching the video. Kai wishes you all the best of luck.